Hello students, this is Niteen Mohod, and through this video we are going to see the interfacing of digital to analog converter IC, which is having its number as 0808 with 8051 microcontroller. So DAC 0808, that is digital to analog converter IC, converts digital pulses to analog signals, and the parameters to judge is its resolution, that is number of bits it is using. Generally 8, 10 and 12 bits DACs are common. More the number of bits, more will be the resolution. Number of data input bits decides the resolution, and number of analog output levels always equal to 2 raised to power n, where n is equal to number of data bit inputs. Thus 8 input digital to analog converter will provide 256 discrete voltage or current levels of the output. 16-bit digital to analog converter is also available, but it is expensive. Digital inputs are converted to I out, that is current output, which is analog quantity, and the resistor connected to I out pin helps to convert this current into voltage. Current at I out pin is a function of binary numbers at D0 to D7 inputs of DAC 0808 and reference current I reference as follows, and it is written as I out, that is output current in analog, is equal to I reference into bracket D7 by 2 plus D6 by 4 plus D5 by 8 plus D4 by 16 plus D3 by 32 plus D2 by 64 plus D1 by 128 plus D0 by 256, where I reference is the reference current applied to pin number 14 of this DAC 0808, and it is generally 2 milliamperes. Binary weighted and R2R ladder are the two methods available for DAC to a conversion as per digital electronics. DACs, that is digital to analog converter, including 0808, uses R2R method since it has high degree of precision, that is accuracy. Now here we are seeing actually the interfacing of this microcontroller 8051 with digital to analog converter, that is DAC 0808 IC. So here port P1, that is P1.0 to P1.7 pins, as you can see here, P1.0 to P1.7 pins of port 1 of 8051 microcontroller is connected to D0 to D7 pins, as you can see here, D0 to D7 pins of DAC, that is digital to analog converter 0808. LM336, that is a Zener diode actually, is also used in some digital to analog converters, which overcomes the fluctuation problems associated with the power supply, and it maintains the power supply stable. Let R equals to 5K and I reference is equal to 2 milliampere. Assuming I reference is equal to 2 milliampere and all the inputs of DAC are high, let us consider, that is all these inputs are high, 1111, 1111. The maximum current in that case will be equal to 1.99 milliampere, as you can calculate from the formula which we have already seen in the previous slide. Ideally, the output pin I out is connected to a resistor for converting this current into the voltage. So I out pin is connected to the resistor, and when the current flows through that resistor, it provides the output voltage across it. This voltage can be monitored on the oscilloscope, that is CRO. This causes inaccuracy since the input resistance of the load where it is connected affects the output voltage, and hence I reference current output is isolated by an op-amp 741 with R1 is equal to 5K for a feedback resistor. Assuming R equals to 5K, by changing the binary inputs to this DAC, the output voltage changes. So I hope the idea about interfacing of digital to analog converter IC 0808 with 8051 microcontroller, the connections they are having, the important pins playing role in this interfacing is clear to you. Thank you.